friends, welcome back. Today we take the next natural step after designing our gauge pod. It's time we printed it. My preferred slicer is Orca Slicer. It works seamlessly with my Chitty Q1 Pro printer. So here we have our model we designed, same orientation. This will allow us to print without any supports. Let's confirm that we have our correct printer selected. For this project, I will use the extra draft profile. This will allow a faster print time. While these other options may give a better finish as you reduce the layer height, extra draft profile is good enough for this example. Let's make some adjustments in the strength tab. We will increase the wall loops so the part has a higher strength and less areas for failure. All other default settings look good. Moving over to the support tab to make sure it's not activated. Now we move to the most important part of this video. When using materials that require a heated chamber or an enclosure such as ASA and ABS, it is best practice to add a brim to your part. This will allow it to have better build plate adhesion and offer better warp resistance to the part as the print progresses. Let's use the fuzzy skin option to make it look less like a 3D printed part and more like a OEM manufactured part. One other benefit of the fuzzy skin feature is you get to hide those seam lines that run along the outer printed surface. The seam lines are depicted in the color white, and as you can see, the fuzzy skin feature breaks it up into smaller areas. One drawback of fuzzy skin is that it increases your print time. I don't mind this because I don't have to do any processing after the part is finished printing. Let's do our final inspection and send off to print. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Here it says our estimated print time is 1 hour 29 minutes. I have my printer wirelessly connected to my PC. From slice to print is seamless.